Very good morning, one and all. Warm welcome to all of you for this Govardhan Geeta YouTube channel. First of all, I thank everyone for your wonderful support for viewing this and commenting this, liking this particular YouTube channel. Once again, thanking all of you from the bottom of my heart. So, today's in the 5th episode of this YouTube channel, we are going to discuss about a very important concept of our life, that is childhood poverty as a role model for everyone's success in the life. So this is what is the concept or a theme of today's discussion. Dear friends, we all know that the people who are successful today, definitely they will be having some history of their childhood poverty behind their success as a role model. Dear friends, you take up the recent examples of a child who has cracked the NEET entrance last year, and the people whom we feel that they are the richest people in the country, they are all definitely they have their history of a childhood poverty as a role model for their success. That is what we are going to discuss today today's important topic. This is really an important and most useful topic for all the children who are going to watch this, because childhood poverty, if you see the reasons for childhood poverty, is not the problem of the children who are born in the poor family. It is the problem of the parents who are opted for, who used to live in that poverty status. So what a child has to do during these circumstances, when they were aware of that their parents, their family are belonging to poor conditions, so how to overcome this, how to change the status of the family. So regarding that, if you analyze, then if you set your goals accordingly, definitely you will change the lifestyle of life status of your family. Dear friends, the examples whichever you have seen in this context, there are so many examples, but in my life, so how I have faced my childhood poverty and what is the reasons for childhood poverty in our family, it will be definitely going to become a suitable example for many children who are going to watch this. So what is the indications of the criteria of childhood poverty? If we see, the number one is the children will not be having the proper food, 3 times good meal that they will not be getting. The second thing is they will not be having a proper clothes to wear, and they will not be having the proper shelter to take rest during their night or daytimes. So the food, shelter and the clothes are the basic needs. If some child is suffering from this during the childhood time, it is not the problem of the children, it is the problems, if it is the status of the parents who are living in that particular lifestyle. So dear friends, the same way during my childhood time, so you may be wondering that I used to eat meals, that is rice, as an important meal only during the important festival times of Tamil Nadu. So remaining times what we eat is, we used to eat from the maize, the food stuff made from the maize, that is in our family they prepare a maize, out of a maize they prepare a mudda, which generally I don't like during my childhood time. So what if at all, whenever I say to my parents that I don't like this mudda to eat, my parents used to tell me that see, if you grown up, if you go to the school and if you study well, then if you become a teacher, if you have become a good employee, then you can have the meals, if you can have the rice daily 3 times in a day in your future. So in our home we have only this, in our land only we have this is being cultivated. So this is what the situation, this is what is the basic problem that I face as a childhood problem during my time. So for this, during that time, so what is the only remedy to eat rice is going to school, because in our village if we go to school, and there is a scheme introduced by the ex chief ministers, Mr. Honorable Kamaraj, and which is followed by Dr. M.G. Ramachandran, giving the midday meals. So midday meals, definitely it is a nutritive and it is a rice. So many of our children in our village, not only myself, we used to go to school only to eat that midday meal, and many of us used to stay in the school till that time only. After the midday meals we used to come back to home and we used to play. So this is what is our lifestyle during that time. So compulsorily going to school has become, is for the purpose of going to school is only to eat the midday meals that time, which is a rice product. So dear friends, that has make me to think, who is providing this midday meal? How come this midday meal daily we are eating, even we are belongs to a poor family? So what is the background of this? Then I come to know about this Mr. Kamarajar and Mr. M.G. Ramachandran, who are the Honorable Chief Ministers of Tamil Nadu, who has introduced this scheme, and analyzing that there are so many children will come to school in the attraction of eating rice from the poor family. This is what is their concept. What a different thing they thought during that time, which has made me to become the one of the important physiotherapy doctor in this community. Dear friends, so a child who has gone to the school to eat midday meal, so I set my lifetime goal as giving the same kind of food to many people who are in need. That has become my lifetime goal. So that problem drove me towards reaching my ultimate goal in my life. Dear friends, that is why in the beginning I told how Sri M.G. Ramachandran, ex-Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, has become a role model. His only reason is this: he has provided me the rice which I want during my childhood time, and I ate. Then I set my lifetime goal of giving food to others, giving shelter to others, giving basic needs to others. So that is why I worked on it, studied well, chosen a good area of my interest, and I continuously done my hard work, and I reached my goal of becoming a professional in the health stream and doing the things successfully so far by the grace of God. Dear friends, dear children who are watching this, please understand, being born as a poor is not in your hand, but continue to live as a poor, definitely don't do it, because that is definitely in your hand to change it. Dear children, change your poverty into the richer level and set a lifetime goal as what other successors followed during their difficult times. So with this, I wish all of you a very successful career in your life, and thank you very much for watching this today's activity. Thank you, one and all.